Banks charge you to hold your own money. 1.4 billion people have a phone but no bank account. The global banking industry generates $1.7 trillion per year in fees. Not from lending. From access control. Here is what they do not teach you. Your money sits in a bank. The bank charges you for it. Service fees. Maintenance fees. Inactivity fees. The average account holder pays $430 per year to access their own funds. That model is 200 years old. And it was built when you had no alternative. That assumption is now wrong. Mobile infrastructure has reached places banks never did. 1.4 billion adults carry a smartphone but have never held a bank card. The financial system missed them on purpose. Lumariq is what happens when an operating system replaces a bank. Not a better app. A different layer in